Yeah, well, I suppose the opportunity is enormous at the moment, because the types of technology that are used in a manufacturing facility are all starting to be based on the same type of platform. That the industrial systems that used to be used to make the medicine, to heat the medicine, to move it around from vessel to vessel, they were all proprietary systems. And now they are all based on, Windows operating systems or Linux operating systems. So they're using the same technology as your information technology that you'd use at home. So if you think there might be 100 computer systems in a factory, Cognizant, through all its acquisitions and all its expertise, has now the ability to deal all the way from the instrument with the industrial control systems and those heavy engineering process automation systems up through into the orchestration systems, where we can orchestrate what's happening in order to make the workforce more effective and more capable and a better, great place to work. Also, we can capture that data in historians and other types of data capture, and then present it and serve it in the cloud for analytics in order to drive that insight that leads to that competitive advantage of faster and better and leaner. So I suppose what Cognizant can offer is this deep expertise across all the layers of the technology, all the way from the instrument to the cloud, as sometimes the executives say, from the shop floor right to the top floor. Well, I think coming out of the pandemic, it's really clear what the industry can do now. They can be much faster, so we can get medicine to patients faster, reducing timelines by from 10 years to 1 year, as in COVID-19. I think also following through on your promises and living up to your commitments. And I think making sure that we have less impact on the planet and being more environmentally friendly. I mean, these are really big ticket items that the industry is dealing with now.